In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a MIDI keyboard to REAPER. Now to do this, first you want to connect the MIDI keyboard into your computer, so just go and use the USB port or whatever you use to connect, and then plug it into your computer. Once you've done this, open your REAPER, and you want to open any project, go to Options up top, and at the bottom you want to go to Preferences. If you don't see it, just keep on clicking on this arrow down here to come to the bottom, and you want to click on here or press Ctrl P on your keyboard, and that's going to open. Then you want to go over here under audio, you can find MIDI inputs. So you simply want to click on MIDI inputs over here, and your MIDI device should be on here. If it's not, you want to click on reset all MIDI devices, and you should be able to see it. But if you still can see it, you want to close down everything and REAPER as well, and then you want to go and reopen it, and you should be able to see it. Then you want to right click over here, and you want to make sure enable input is enabled. If it's not, just click on enable input like this. There we go. And then you want to click on apply and OK, and that's really all you have to do to connect your MIDI keyboard. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.